Hey y'all, Ring Sky here, back again with another lessons learned video. Now if you've got the Ring floodlight, and mine's a solar floodlight, the Ring solar floodlight is awesome, but if you've got it and you connected the bridge and it still wouldn't work, and the instructions implied taking a sticker off of the battery, so you probably opened the battery compartment and you probably saw a sticker, but what you may not have realized is that there's a sticker on each side of the battery. So to enable this to function, what you've got to do is remove the battery from the Ring floodlight, and there's a sticker on the other side as well, because if you don't remove both batteries, the battery's not going to function. So to give you the false assumption that the Ring floodlight or the Ring spotlight, whatever you want to call it, is not functioning. But as soon as I did that, boom. Now obviously you need to charge your battery. In my case, I just mounted it with the solar panel with pretty much a dead battery out of the box. Did that intentionally because I wanted to see how long it would take to charge. Now it's not the sunny part of the day here. This particular camera gets evening sunset. So, or not camera, there's a camera up there above it. But this particular nice little Ring spotlight, solar spotlight, gets the sun in the afternoon. So be interesting to see how quickly it charges. Hope this video helps. Be sure to subscribe. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. And check out all my other Ring videos too. I really love this ecosystem. Hey y'all, Captain Ring Sky here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Ring Sky. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.